grasshopper tomato kebabs, and mealworms with cauliflower couscous, or in quiche, are just some of the culinary creations of Bugs in Mugs. The small Brussels-based company is trying to increase the collective Belgian appetite for insects. They're considered particularly healthy, full of protein and vitamins, and they could help solve future problems of food shortages.
It's estimated that by 2050 there will be 9 billion people on the planet, and it won't be possible to feed them all using traditional farming methods. We need to find alternatives, and insects offer one possibility.
The Belgians are not the only ones in Europe to address the issue. In neighbouring France, it's become increasingly common to see dishes with insects on the menu, such as here in this Mexican restaurant. They've also begun to appear in haute cuisine, whether as a starter in top restaurants or integrated into a dessert.
More cheese.
The Belgian public is a tough crowd to convince, so Bugs in Mugs are pulling out all the stops, offering chocolate biscuits with crickets. But they also sell mealworms on their own.
In the biscuits, they mix them with chocolate, and you can't really taste the insects. Crickets taste a bit like peanuts.
They're good. And it's interesting to see how we judge what we eat. We see a strange worm, but it turns out to taste okay.
Bugs in Mugs work with dried and frozen insects and grubs. Their aim is to get as many people eating the healthy critters as possible.
It's too new. People haven't had the chance to get used to it yet, so we're adding them to beautifully presented and delicious dishes that are similar in taste to food people already know.
It's likely to take some time before insects become a permanent feature on European menus. But these customers have just ordered a burger with insects and a mealworm quiche. They tuck in, albeit with a creeping skepticism.
It was the first time for me, and it was good. I didn't really taste anything in particular.
When I saw the insects, I was shocked. But it turns out they were crispy and nutty, and they're supposed to be healthy.
You can also get simple recipes and dried insects as takeout, for those who prefer to sample the delights of bugs in the privacy of their own homes.